Guys, sekarang ni ada yang control market guys, dan dia punya buy signal dia memang sangat-sangat padu. Apa dia? Dengar video ni sampai habis. Ia akan membantu anda bila nak masuk. Awal April, semasa market jatuh kau-kau, orang kata Black Monday crashing right? Si Mamat ni, si seorang ni, dia bagi tahu buy. Now is a great time to buy. Dan betul guys, market naik lepas tu guys. Dia tu siapa guys? Dia lah Presiden US Donald Trump. Betul-betul is a market manipulator, right? Tapi dia punya buy signal tu memang boleh ikut lah. Alright, macam dia kata itu, buy and then market naik. Dan sekarang ni guys, ada satu lagi signal dia bagi guys. Siapa nak tahu? Alright, dengar video ni sampai habis guys. Siapa nak belajar pasal kripto guys, nak start kripto dan ambil this opportunity guys, boleh klik link kat bio, Crypto Starter. Jumpa anda hujung bulan ni guys. Jom kita saksikan video ni di mana dia bagi tahu bahawa now is a great time to buy. Baru-baru ini dekat persidangan Saudi Arabia. Let's go.
In fact, I told people 5 weeks ago, this is a great time to buy. I got criticized for that. Now they don't criticize me anymore. People should have listened. But it's going to go a lot higher. You see, we've never had anything like this happen. It's an explosion of investment and jobs, and great companies are coming in. Never seen anything like.
So, macam mana guys, korang tengok video tadi, boleh bagi komen apa pendapat korang. Adakah market akan naik lebih tinggi daripada apa yang korang jangkakan? Sebab dia bagi tahu bahawa dia akan naik tinggi yang memang betul-betul semua tak sangka. Apa pendapat anda? Adakah dia naik tinggi ataupun dia sekadar naik sikit je? Right? Ataupun dia akan jatuh? Sila komen.